Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to type bold text on Facebook. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on to our channel so you can get notified for our future video, because we post content like this. So to get notified, be sure to subscribe with notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So Facebook doesn't allow you to type bold text on Facebook, so you need to use a website to change your text into bold. So let me show you how to do that. First, let's create a post over here. I'm gonna write something. So this is the text. Now I need to change it to bold. So what I'm going to do is copy all this. And after copying all this, you need to go to a website which is called YaText. So you can just open your Chrome browser or whatever thing you use to browse internet on your phone and type yaytext.com. And after coming over here, you can enter your text over here. So let me just paste the text. So after pasting the text over here, what you want to do is find bold. So let me scroll down. So as you guys can see, the bold is over here. So bold serif, or you can use bold sans. I'm going to use bold serif. So I can just click on copy and the text has been copied. Now I'm going to go back to my Facebook and then delete these and paste the text which I just copied. So it's on bold now. Now let me choose a background over here and I'm going to press on post. So boom, that's how you type bold text on Facebook. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below whatever video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.